Hello friends, is your cruise control acting up? Does it work sometimes but suddenly stop responding? Or maybe it disengages on its own while driving? If your obd2 scanner shows code P0579, it means there's a problem with the cruise control multifunction input circuit, specifically a high voltage issue. This can be caused by a faulty switch, damaged wiring, or even an issue with the brake pedal sensor. But where is the problem exactly? Let's locate the sensor and fix this issue. What is P0579? The P0579 code stands for Cruise Control Multifunction Input A Circuit Range Performance. This means the cruise control system is not receiving the correct signal from one of its components. If the ECU detects a voltage issue, it disables the cruise control to prevent unsafe driving conditions. Common symptoms of P0579. Cruise control doesn't activate, cruise control disengages randomly. Check engine light, CEL. Is on, erratic acceleration or speed holding issues. Cruise control buttons don't work properly. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the affected sensor. To diagnose P0579, check these key components: cruise control switch, steering wheel or stalk. Location: on the steering wheel or turn signal stalk. This switch controls cruise functions. A faulty button can cause incorrect voltage readings. Brake pedal position switch. Location: above the brake pedal, under the dashboard. If this switch fails, it may send incorrect signals to the ECU, causing cruise control failure. Throttle position sensor, TPS. Location: on the throttle body near the intake manifold. A faulty TPS can send inaccurate throttle input, affecting cruise control performance. Clock spring, inside steering wheel. Location: behind the steering wheel, inside the steering column. A broken clock spring can cause cruise control buttons to stop working. Cruise control module and ECU. Location: usually in the engine bay or under the dashboard. The ECU processes all cruise control inputs. A malfunction here can lead to P0579. Wiring harness and fuses. Location: under the dashboard and near the engine fuse box. Loose or corroded wiring can lead to high voltage errors in the cruise control circuit. Common causes of P0579 faulty cruise control switch. A malfunctioning on-off or set button can send incorrect voltage to the ECU. Brake pedal position sensor failure. If it's sending incorrect brake input signals, cruise control may not function properly. Short circuit in wiring. Damaged or corroded wires can cause high voltage issues, triggering P0579. Defective throttle position sensor, TPS. Incorrect throttle position data can disrupt cruise control operation. Blown fuse or faulty relay. A damaged fuse or relay in the cruise control circuit may prevent it from working. How to fix P0579? Step 1. Scan for additional codes using an obd2 scanner. If other codes appear, fix them first. Step 2. Check the cruise control switch. If buttons feel stuck or unresponsive, replace the switch. Step 3. Inspect the brake pedal sensor. A faulty switch may prevent cruise control from functioning. Step 4. Check the clock. Spring inside the steering wheel. Replace if damaged. Step 5. Test the throttle position sensor, TPS. Ensure it's providing the correct throttle input. Step 6. Inspect all wiring and connectors for corrosion or loose connections. Step 7. Check fuses and relays related to cruise control and replace any that are faulty. Step 8. Reset the ECU and test the cruise control system after repairs. Ignoring P0579 can lead to cruise control failure and unsafe driving conditions. Fixing it early will restore smooth operation and keep your drive safe. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0404. EGR Control Circuit Range Performance P0405. EGR Sensor a Circuit Low. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.